Losing weight can sometimes feel impossible, however, it is not. Sometimes your body just needs a push in the right direction. Hormones are in charge when it comes to regulating your body weight. When it comes to kicking them into gear, knowing what to do is essential. These are the 7 best ways to get your weight loss hormones rolling. Number 1. Working towards building muscle mass. When it comes to weight loss, the hormone responsible for bulking people up can also be used to reduce your weight. You don't have to partake in an intense workout, just lift a little weight until you notice a slight soreness. This can be enough to get this hormone pumping. Number 2. Avoid starchy carbs at breakfast. Sticking to a high-protein breakfast increases thyroid hormone and sets your dopamine levels for the day, which means you will enjoy better appetite control and stay craving-free while avoiding that mid-afternoon slump. This means breads, cereals, bagels, etc., are off limits. The first few days may feel challenging, but I promise it will quickly become second nature. Number 3. Increase your levels of oxytocin. Oxytocin is a hormone that has been linked to the reduction of stress. It is released when we engage in activities that are relaxing and satisfying. This is great because stress causes serious issues for those who aim to eat healthily. Stress can make you overeat or crave the wrong things. Number 4. Eat more satisfying types of foods. When you eat junk foods that are filled with sugar and salt, you would not feel full for long, and so you end up eating even more just to feel sated. By choosing to eat more filling foods that leave you feeling satisfied for longer after eating, you can avoid piling on the pounds. The hormone which is primarily responsible for making us feel full is leptin, and it can be found in high amounts in the following list of foods: oatmeal, hot peppers such as jalapenos, grapefruit, turkey, chicken and other lean types of meats like beef and pork, fish such as tuna, salmon, and sardines, yogurt, broccoli, green tea, almonds, eggs, beans, skim milk, olive oil, turmeric, and apples. Working these leptin-rich foods into your diet will naturally leave you feeling fuller for longer and will help prevent you from overeating. Number 5. Cut back on your sugar intake. Insulin is a hormone that pulls all of our excess sugar out of our bloodstream while digesting, and when it is overworked you are increasing your risks of developing diabetes. If you eliminate extra sugars from your diet, you will be able to lose weight much easier and gain muscle mass. When you pair these things with daily exercise and the proper diet, you will be able to lose weight in a flash. Your bad habits really can take a huge toll on your health. Improve yourself and you will improve your health. Number 6. Breathe. Research has shown that by breathing through one nostril and covering the opposite nostril for 27 respiratory cycles repeated at least 4 times a day for 1 whole month will increase your resting metabolic oxygen consumption,